Hey guys, it's Chad Lee again on the 55. Just showing you the hood here where Joe has deleted the factory emblem as well as the bird on the front of the hood here. He just metalworked that area a little bit. He's got definitely got some more work to do there. Then he's also been starting to mock up the radiator and components for the supercharger, as well as mocking up the driver's seat and the functionality there. You can see he's still working on that. But I just wanted to give you guys an update of where things stand right now so we don't get too far behind. So again, I'll try to get you some back footage of how these things are coming together. And thanks for checking in. We'll talk to you soon.
That's fantastic. Thank you.